Greetings and great day. My name is Patty, and I want to welcome you to EthniciTea Herbals at Home. And today I am going to share with you a refreshing beverage that you would love. Why don't we just replace all these vitamin waters and sugary drinks? It's summertime, and with the pandemic, I'm sure a lot of people have maybe packed on a few pounds. So this is a great alternative to hydrate the body, as well as assist in weight loss and a lot of other things. And let's hop into it. So first I'm going to start with some organic cucumber. And everyone may or may not know, but cucumber is extremely hydrating. And always when you want to use cucumber, you want to purchase organic. So I have some organic cucumber here, and I cut it in half so that I can just give you two options. And ooh, this cucumber has seeds, so that's always a good thing. And I kind of like it cubed. I love it cubed. All right, so we have our cubed cucumber, and then we can also do it in nice little disc, so thin disc like so. I'm also going to make some thin disc, and these are the little mini cucumbers, and you can get these at any better supermarket. Just always try to get organic if you can, preferably because you're doing an infusion. All right. Then I'm going to use some of my organic mint, and we're going to use, so it's summertime, and in an urban jungle, you know, maybe you may or may not have access to an outdoor garden, and even you may, wherever you live, you can always use your windowsill. I highly encourage using windowsill gardening. So this is a great fast way. You can grow them from seed, but now's the time. If you go to any better supermarket, you can get some organic herbs like this. Here I have parsley. But today I'm going to be working with our mint family, and you can tell this is from Edible Garden, a plug to them. I love their plants, and this is organic. You want to look for the symbol that says non-GMO, and you also want to look for the symbol that says USDA organic. Okay, so may I please use some of you for my healing. I'm just going to take a little piece of the mint off, and I'm going to rinse it, and I'm going to use my Kangen. I'm going to use my Kangen water filter to rinse the mint. And I really love my Kangen water filter. The biggest regret is not buying it earlier. And I'm just going to lightly cut my mint. Now, if you don't want to invest in the Kangen water filter, that's fine. I highly encourage you use a high quality water though, you know, such as a mountain water or a spring water, and plug to Mountain Valley water. I love them. You can also do home delivery for Mountain Valley. Okay, but you definitely don't want to use tap water. You want to use a high quality. So we have our cucumbers, our organic cucumbers sliced. We have our organic mint finely chopped, and I'm also going to add some lime. So lime is very alkalizing as well. So I don't know if you know, but cucumber is one of the most highest hydrational fruits that you can consume, and it's really rich in antioxidants like calcium, magnesium, manganese, vitamin K, the B vitamins. So it's wonderful for beautiful glowing skin. It's also really wonderful to help normalize blood pressure, bone health. It's rich in antioxidants, so it really supports a environment that would be not advantageous for cancer to thrive. So I'm going to insert some of my chopped cucumber in the water, and I'm using my Kangen water. And again, you can use any water that you want. And I'm doing the slices and the cubes. I'm putting my organic mint in there, put some of the lime in there, and I'm gonna give it a whirl. How beautiful is that? Actually, I do want some lemon as well, because just for the color. Let me slice some of this and put that in there. How beautiful is that? And give it a whirl. So here we have our organic cucumber, lemon, lime, mint water. Wonderful, ready for the summer. Okay. Instead of your so-called vitamin water, why not have one of these beverages? And then in the magic of TV, this should be refrigerated for 4 hours to overnight, preferably. That way we get the full infusion from our fruits, and we just drink. Okay. This is such a refreshing beverage. Especially on a hot summer day, you want a refreshing beverage like this. And why? Do you know that women need about a little over 2 liters of water, and men need a little over 3 liters of water? And water, especially water infused with antioxidants and vitamins like this, help give the body back something. And it's going to help support not only the lymphatic system, the circulatory system, your heart health. It's also going to help your brain as well, because you're going to get more clarity. Just the smell alone of mint. Mint is also a wonderful oxygenating herb that you can use. So I love to share like practical ways that we can incorporate herbs into our everyday life. And this is something so simple and so easy that you've probably seen before or had before, but never really tried at home. So let's take a drink. It is so refreshing. I can't tell you how refreshing this is. So if you want some more tips about how to do vitamin water or anything in general related to herbal health, I am a herbalist. My name is PaTea. I'm the founder and owner of EthniciTea Herbals. You can find me at EthniciTeaHerbals.com or thebushqueen.com if that's easier for you to spell. It'll take you to my website. Find me on IG as well, EthniciTea Herbals on IG, or The Bush Queen on IG. And I look forward to working with you. I also have a Facebook group, EthniciTea Herbals Lifestyle Loop, where I share a lot of practical tips and information about herbal remedies that you can do at home. But what I love to do is share information with my clients for practical herbal living at home, and as well as work with clients one-to-one. So if you need a customized protocol of any health issue, I work with clients one-to-one and create a customized protocol where they can address some of their health concerns. So with that, I want to welcome you to EthniciTea Herbals at Home, and I hope I see you again soon. Have a great day.